So we have a new AI video generation tool, which I think is better than VEO3. This is the first Chinese model. The VEO3 is basically Google's model. Now everyone has been waiting for this, and let's see some videos. So first of all, so here is a man running away from a clown. Here's another.
Magic is an iPhone. The greatest magic is...
So the first thing that I see, the quality is much better than for VEO3. The sound is not that good. It is not synced up as good as for VEO3 videos, but if you look at all the animation and basically motion, I think it is much better than VEO3. Here you can also see.
This one's my favorite flavor. This one's my favorite flavor.
I mean, how great it looks. And I will show you some comparisons with VEO3. So here we will see the first video. And what I did, I basically created an images in Midjourney, because Midjourney is the best tool for image creation. And I basically used the frames option where you can upload image and create a video. So let's see the first video where you can see a guy with a basically gun, and he will be shooting at a spaceship. So let's see. So that's the first video. Let's see the WAN 2.5 version. So basically what you just saw is that these both are quite good. I think the WAN 2.5 is better because, as you can see in this video, basically this AI model keeps the whole style the same. The VEO3 makes it like plastic. If you see this, like the first frame is okay, but as the video keeps going on, it gets plasticky. And the other thing is, if you look at the spaceship, it looks like from 2000s, like a modern spaceship. But if you look at this, it basically keeps the whole style, and the spaceship looks like from 1970s movie. So I think the WAN 2.5 wins in this video. So let's see the next one. Here is a grandma fighting with a karate fighter in a ring. And let's see the VEO3 video, how it looks. So first of all, as you can see here, Flow doesn't really do really high motion animation, and but overall the sound sync is synced up really good. Let's see the WAN 2.5. And here is the WAN 2.5. So I think the video is much better for this one because, again, it is not as plasticky, but the sound is really weird. It sounds like a robot. Two robots are fighting, but these are humans. That's why I like how the sound is synced up. Really great, but the sound is wrong. And if you're talking about the motion, you can see how Flow doesn't really do high motion. And as you can see here, this is the video right in the middle. The colors are so different from this main frame. So if I skip, you can see how it changes. But for WAN 2.5, this is the first frame, and this is the video in the middle. And the faces, as you can see here, the faces in the background are looking much better than for the VEO3 video. So if I stop, you can see, like, what is this? Something weird. I mean, it is not that bad, but I still think WAN 2.5 is much better, and the quality is much better as well. Let's see the third video. So here is a man riding down with a bike, and suddenly a lion basically appears. So this is for the flow. Let's see for WAN 2.5. So again, as you can see, WAN 2.5 has a much better motion as it is going basically really, really fast. But for flow, it is really bad at these. As you can see, it is like going like slow motion. The whole scene is maybe much better because the lion comes basically surprises him as I ask in a prompt right here. The lion's basically running from behind, and after that they are basically merging together for some reason. And let's see some more videos from WAN 2.5, so what it is capable of. So here, let's see this. So a man running with a camera. Let's see some talking videos.
Walking with my wife.
Love you.
Walking with my wife.
So as you can see, you can even include celebrities and
This alcohol hits way harder than the garbage I
product
usually
placement.
make. This alcohol
I don't think VEO3 will save this text like Jack Daniels as it says right there. Here you can see another celebrity.
Damn, you're so strong. Can I get your number?
So quite nice. The voice is obviously not the same, but the lip sync is quite great.
I want to be with you.
Donald Trump and Vladimir Putin.
What's up? Hey!
And if you look at the faces, they basically keep constant in the whole video. For VEO3, it is not capable of keeping the face of Putin or Trump. And by the way, this was basically created with only prompts. So this was the image that was used, only this guy. So this is the first frame. And the prompt basically said Donald Trump, and Putin appears and hugs the man. So basically you can create celebrities from a prompt. You don't need an image. So that's another thing, another reason why WAN 2.5 is superior. So here you can see.
Drink Coke.
Again, two celebrities, Coca-Cola, talking. So you can create some really great ads by using some product placement. Here you can see again Obama's wife kissing a guy. Yeah, that's basically my comparison between Flow and WAN 2.5. So everything is getting better and better in this AI space. And if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload, get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on AI news, AI alpha, AI tools like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.